Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be making a pumpkin topiary, a quick and easy project for anyone that's a lot of fun. As always, we appreciate your support. Please hit subscribe. For the base of our project, I'm using this vase that we got at a thrift store for $1, and these pumpkins we got at Dollarama. They're styrofoam and just perfect for this project. We'll have to take the little stems off of them. Well, a couple of them anyway, so that we can put them flat onto each other. Just gotta spin them off here. And there we go, that was easy. Then we'll put it on the vase, see how it fits, very nice. And we'll just glue that down to the vase so it doesn't move on us. For in between our pumpkins, we're going to be using a paper roll and some ribbon so that it sort of mimics the old stock, a nice green one. So I'll just wrap the ribbon around, mark how wide it is, make it a little bit shorter than the ribbon so that the cardboard doesn't show through later. And I'll cut that out with a nice pair of scissors. Once I've got that cut, I'll use that as a template and cut another one. Now I'll take my ribbon and wrap it around, see how long of a piece I need, and I'll cut that to fit. Then once I have that one cut, I'll use that as a template for the other piece of ribbon I'm going to need. Then to connect the ribbon, just put a bit of hot glue on the paper roll, attach the ribbon, wrap it around, put some more hot glue on the other end of the ribbon, and there you go, one stem. Now that the stems are done and ready, we'll put one on top, and we get one of those skewers, like a barbecue skewer, and insert that into the styrofoam pumpkin, put on the stem, and then put on the next pumpkin. And then for the top piece, we'll just see how much we need to have trimmed off so we don't put the skewer right through the top pumpkin. Put on the other stem, put on the pumpkin, and there she is. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have just as much fun as I did making this at home for yourself. Don't forget to hit subscribe.